the story in a nutshell. A family of 4 people, very happy family in Banaras, and how, due to circumstances, the elder sister has to go to the city and do something about her life, and then how the story unfolds.
लागा चुनरी में दाग गाना है और उसके बीच में कुछ बोलेगी वो. मैंने कहा क्या बोलेगी? मतलब कुछ बोलेगी. He started showing me some words. निस्तब्ध खड़ी हूँ मैं, ध्वस्त पस्त. And then suddenly that started taking up shape.
मनवा में मेरे आंधी है उठी और स्तब्ध खड़ी हूँ मैं. सांसों में बांध अपनी ही सांस निशब्द खड़ी हूँ मैं. दुनिया से जीती जीती खुद से हारी बस ध्वस्त खड़ी हूँ मैं. आईना में और नक्श में.
Basically, that song kind of really brings about all the different emotions that the girl is going through at that point of time in the film.
You wanted the inner cry of the woman in a surrounding which was very modern, very hip.
Sabyasachi Mukherjee, he had really a good time in the song because like me and Dada kind of fondly joke with him saying that it's his song because all his costumes and everything was very well shown in this song.
I put all my soul into that song when I was doing it because it meant quite a lot of things, and I knew that if this can come into people, if this can go into people's minds, then they'll know what this woman is going through.
It's very difficult for me to talk about the Banganga scene because every time I see that scene, I've cried each time. It's a scene between sisters. There are very few people who can be closer than sisters in real life.
It's actually something which is happening in front of you, and I just hope it moves people so much so that what mistakes she has made doesn't happen to any other girl.
The way they reacted to each other, the emotion, they were like too much for me even, while watching through the camera, and I felt what Konkona was feeling or what Rani was feeling. It was too emotional. I think even my eyes were wet at that time.
Special thing about Dada is that he's the only director who doesn't say action. He says whatever and he says whenever.
He's like a big baby.
Just before the take, he says, no, 1 minute. थोड़ा light इधर करना.
When Dada wants something, he will get it even to the extent of going and crying.
I think Dada is very sweet.
Dada, she will not say मजा आ गया Dada.
Excuse me.
Shoot, Sunny.
When we're acting, he's focusing on the curtains behind us.
When he starts insisting, I like it because he pushes you. The same thing you don't like about him because he pushes you a lot.
Really passionate and instinctive director who just lives for the frame.
When I worked with him, it was like working with people like Hrishikesh Mukherjee or Gulzar.
come and watch Laga Chunri Mein Daag because we all have made the film with a lot of love and affection. Hopefully you won't go back disappointed. Please come and watch the film.
Back up for the day!